Hi, my name is Bakizar Faruqi. Today we are going to learn about the database management system and its application. Uh, the most of the safe management. First I read it together, and I will explain also. There's a definition. Here's a written here. Efficient and safe management, saving and retrieval of data is made possible by the database. All the efficient safe management, saving and retrieving data is made possible by the database. Database is responsible for saving of data, retrieving of data, DMS and management system. They provide solution for the data management demand. Whatever the management demand is, it provide you, and are the foundation of numerous applications used in a variety of the sectors. Recognizing the use of DBMS aid in understanding their significance in contemporary company operation and technology. What is DBMS? A database management system make it easier to create, maintain, and work with the database. Uh, it acts as a channel between end user and the database. The function including administration, retrieval, updating, and storing of data by structuring data into organized format, and controlling concurrent access. The database management system contribute to the efficient handling, security, and integrity of the data. Integrity means something like which should be trust on. Security means the DMS provides security for the database. It stored what it's stored at an organized format, and also give you controlling concurrent access mean it will give you real time access to the database. It provides you access to the database. uh, there are the many fields where database can be used. So either it could be on, either is their use case in in a railway station, either it has use of education system. So we have example here of the railways reservation system, like how the reservation works by the help of the database management system. In the trail route reservation framework, the information base is needed to store the record or information of ticket, appointment, status of train appearance, and flight. Additionally, if train get late, individual become acquainted with it through the information-based update. In the trail route reservation framework, the information base is needed to store the record or information of ticket, upon appointment, status of train appearance, and flight. Additionally, if train get late, individual become acquainted with it and through the information based update. So it means that any individual who has a reservation about 9:50, if a reservation gets late, it will give the information to the individual acquainted, or through the information based update. Every updation happen every time whenever some kind of change happen in a database of particular organization. So everybody would get it or know it from that place. So library management system, it has the application in a library management system as well. There are many books in the library, so if it is difficult to store the record of the relative multitude of books in a register or duplicate. Along this line, the dataset administration work is utilized to keep all the data identified with the name of the book and issue date and accessibility of the book and its writer. So it is also helpful in a library management system as well. We have another example, banking database. The executive framework is utilized to store the exchange of the client in the information. This database is the executive framework. It is utilized to exchange data of the client and the information base. So in the banking sector, database management system also play vital role or main role in the organization. Education sector is also presently assessment are lead online by numerous school and college. They deal with all the assessment information through these data set and administration framework. In spite of in spite of that, it's understudy enlistment, that is grade courses, express participation result, and so forth. What all the data is put away in the information base. Uh, Database management system framework is utilized for buying on a charge cards and age of month-to-month place proclamation. A database management system framework is utilized for buying on change cards and age of month-to-month proclamation. So this is like that proclamation. social media side, it also work it also gives hands to the social media side as well. We all utilization of online media side to associate with company and set to impart perspective to the world. Every day many people group pursue their online media account like Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and Google. In addition to it, by utilizing of data set administration work, all the data of the client are put away in an information base, and we become ready to interface with others. So whatever you put on the social media, everybody would look, everybody can see it what we have been posted. So this is about the one, we should be wonder like how things happen. So this is all because of the database management system. It gives access, give access to the users to see, to look, glance to peep to other account what they are doing and what they are looking for. Broadcast communication, any sort of the, without the media organization can't think, without the database or media organization can't ever think about the information, because broadcast communication is all about the data and the information. Is the for the organization to store the call abilities and month-to-month postpaid bill in the information base. So this is also, this is about accounting and finance. In accounting and finance, all the work about money. So this is really important for us to have a database where we can store our information, retrieve it, and based upon the requirement, we can retrieve our data or wherever it is needed. So the information based administrative work is utilized for the putting away data about deal, holding an acquisition of monetary instrument, and for example stock and bonds in data, acquisition of monetary instrument, for example stock and bonds in the data sets. E-commerce website, these days web-based shopping become major platform. Nobody needs to shop over through their time. Everybody needs to shop through a web-based shopping site. For example, Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal from home. So all the items are sold and added uniquely with the assistance of the information-based administration work. Partnership charges, installment by data. These are finished with the assistance of DBMS. Human resource management. But big firm or organization have numerous specialist or representative working under them. They store the data about workers, compensation assessment, and work with assistance of an information-based administration framework. The big firm, every big firm organization have numerous specialists or representative working under them. They store data about workers, expansion, assessment, and work with assistance of an information-based administration framework. Due to the assessment of the database management system, the manufacturing department make various kind of item, deal them consistently to keep the data about the item sale, like bill, acquisition of the item, amount, inventory, network, the executive information, and administration framework. So here, DBMS is also play a vital role here as well. Next, we have another example. That this framework is equivalent to the railway route reservation framework. The different railway station and the airline reservation system is same, but with some, in the airline we have a plane, and in a railway station we have a train. So this information additionally utilized an information-based administration work to store the records of the flight, takeoff, appearance, and defer, like where, when, from which platform, where, and where it's going to. So all the data about a particular flight, a particular flight operation, or the particular flight operation dealt and stored and access and assist the workers through the database management system. They can access and know what's going on and what sort of a flight is going on next. Healthcare system manage patient data, medical records, and billing information. Security provides ensure that only authorized user have the access to the database. In DMES system, there is a particular person who can only access the database. The person who can retrieve, who can update any sort of data, or a person who can retrieve a data, a person who can edit the database management system, like change the pattern, like a normal normalize with the normalization, or a or non-normal data. So we had an example before, we have studied that uh, what is normalization and what is normal form. So it could create a schema, and also schema design table, create table schema, and that a new database as well in a DBMS. So all this kind of sort of work can all could are only possible from the authorized user. Telecommunication. Data management systems are essential to the telecommunication industry. These many numerous volume of data on billing, customer information, and network optimization. Conclusion. In conclusion, database management system or DBMS are essential to effective, safe, and well-organized data management. They offer multiple user access to enable scalability and guarantee integrity. Data recovery, decision support, and web-based work platform are just few of the users. There are many more users out there. So this is based on limitation of the using of DBMS. DBMS could be work in every environment where data where we are dealing with the database, where we are dealing with data. That is all. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for looking at my lecture. If you have any question about this topic or any suggestion, improvement suggestion, just drop your comment in the comment box, and we will try to try to make it better more and more as long as day passes. Thank you.